study introduction part of Microsoft PowerPoint. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? It is a presentation software which help us to share our views, ideas to the entire world. If you have a knowledge to create a PowerPoint presentation, so you have a part to share your ideas with the world. Along with this, there are so many features which help us to create our presentation well. Now let's start and learn the introduction and basic features of Microsoft PowerPoint.
Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software developed by Microsoft. It comes an integral part of Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create, display beautiful presentation, and that include text, pictures, chart, diagram, audio, video, and animated special effect. MS PowerPoint open with a blank presentation. This blank presentation is by default named as Presentation 1. To rename it, you need to save it using Save option or Save as under Office button. The extension of PowerPoint in MS PowerPoint is .pptx. It contains only one blank slide. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that display the information along with the graphics, sound, and animation. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software program developed by Microsoft. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. There are three main features of Microsoft PowerPoint window. That is Office button, Quick Access toolbar, and ribbon. How is a presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively. People in the business world use it to present information about their product or company in seminar and meetings. Teacher can use presentation to prepare their lesson plans. Using PowerPoint presentation, we can make project on any topic. Here, a slide is a page of PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a brief topic. Now, let's discuss some features of PowerPoint, as there are three important main features. The first one is Office button. Microsoft Office button. It is located on the upper left corner of the PowerPoint window. When you click the button, it displays with multiple options to perform a different task, such as New option, it is used to create a new presentation. Open option, it is helpful to open an existing presentation. Next is a save. Save option is used to save changes made in the open presentation. Save as, to save the presentation with a specific name to a preferred location in the computer. Print, to print the hard copy of the open presentation. Prepare, to prepare the presentation for distribution. Send, to send the copy of the presentation to others. Publish, to distribute the presentation to others. And the last one is to close the PowerPoint presentation. The next main feature is Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar is located beside the Microsoft Office button. By default, it shows 3 commands, that is save, undo and redo. When you click the drop down arrow, at the right end of Quick Access Toolbar, it offers more commands. The desired command out of these commands can be added to Quick Access Toolbar with the left click on it. You can also add the Office button and ribbon commands. Just right click the command and select the Quick Access Toolbar option. Next main feature is ribbon and tabs. Ribbon is located on the top of the PowerPoint window, just below the title bar. It is made up of 7 tabs, that is Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Animation tab, Slideshow tab, Review tab and View tab. Each tab is divided into groups of related commands that are displayed on the ribbon. To view additional command of a group, click the arrow at the right bottom corner of the group. Now let's learn some features of the tab. Features of tabs. The feature of Home tab is clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing and editing. The feature of Insert tab are slides, tables, images, illustrations, add in, link, comment, text, symbol and media. The illustrations of Design tab is themes, variants and customize. The feature of Transition tab are preview, transition to this slide, and timing. Now the features of animation tabs are preview, animation, advanced animation, and timing. The feature of slide show are slide show, start slideshow, setup, and monitors. Next, the feature of review tab is proofing, accessibility, insight, language, comments, compare, and ink. Next, the feature of a view tab is presentation views, master views, show, zoom, color grayscale, window, and macros. Next is recording tab, and the feature of recording tab is record, content, autoplay media, save. And the last one is help tab. Here you can get help if you stuck in some task. Slideshow, placeholder, and notes. Slide. What is slide? Presentation is created on a slide. It lies in the center of the PowerPoint window. We can add numbers of slides in our PowerPoint presentation with the help of new slide. And here different themes are provided. According to your documentation, you can select theme. Next is placeholder. By default, two placeholders appear in the slide when you open the PowerPoint. By default, two placeholders appear in the slide when you open the PowerPoint. And the last one here is the click to add note. This place is provided to create note if needed. Here you can write down any simple note which you think that it should be known to the viewer or the creator. Next is a mini toolbar. Mini toolbar appears when you add something in your slide. Suppose I am adding one slide shape in my slide and a floating toolbar that appears when you select text or right click the text or add something in your slide like bold, italic, font size, copy cut, and some editing parts. Now, creating a presentation. When you open PowerPoint window, by default, a slide appears. A blank white slides appear. The slide has a two placeholder This is a placeholder. A slide has two placeholders or a two text box. Additional text box can be added from the Insert tab. To start creating presentation, click on the placeholder or a text box. Blinking cursor will appear. Then type the title and click outside the box. The text box will disappear. In a similar way, add text or subtitle to the other text box and click outside somewhere, and the similar way the box will disappear. Now let's see how we can create any PowerPoint presentation. I'm using a blank slide to add a template. Going here in the File tab, here in the New option, you can find out More Themes or Pre-designed Template. Here you can find some welcome PowerPoint presentation and some 3D template also. If these templates are not appropriate for your topic, you can search template online also.
Now, there are 10 facts related to PowerPoint. PowerPoint was released in 1987 under the name Presenter. Microsoft had to change the name later on due to copyright reason. The inventor of PowerPoint was not Microsoft. It was entrepreneur Robert Gaskin. He sold the Microsoft for $14 million to Microsoft. More than 500 million people use PowerPoint worldwide. On average, people in the audience have an attention span of only 10 minutes. Therefore, it is all the more important you mention. To increase the attention span, a lot of professional presenters are using interactive presentation tools. Preparing a presentation takes on an average 2 hours. An average PowerPoint slide has 40 words written on it. An international study found that presenters who just read the text on the slide are the most annoying one. Every second, more than 350 PowerPoint presentations are started around the world. Did you know PowerPoint karaoke is really a thing? It's a funny game you can play with your friend and co-worker. Bonus fact: PowerPoint can also be used to creating infographical. This entire image was made using PPT.